So today I'm gonna try different something to practice the sakhi kriya. I'm gonna talk about the rug. It is most might think it's a very normal object. So that is the whole idea of sakhi kriya, which is used to open up your voice. So the rug, it's a beautiful object. I appreciate it just like any other object. Appreciation is key, especially for the things that you already have. Feeling them when you have them is the biggest and the most grandest of all prayers. So, if you cannot appreciate the things that you have, then you cannot expect to ask for new things, as said by one of my mentors. So I have learned or taught myself to see everything in that aspect. So that is why mostly when I say about almost everything, I would start with the saying that it's beautiful, because that's how I see. So we have given each other, me and my wife has given um, a topic to do the Vaksakshi Kriya. And what I gave her was her Japanese tea that she likes to drink. And she gave me the rug which we used to put under the the place where we are drinking the tea. So talking about the rug is, yeah, I can see it's beautiful because the it looks like, I'm not sure, it looks like a hand woven kind of a thick blanket, but it has all these different colors. It's not just a flat cloth, it has texture on it, like when you step on it you can feel it under your feet. So that is the reason I found it beautiful. It has it also has like anti slip underneath. I actually bought it to lie on it, but then I bought another mat where I can sleep on the floor so that one was just lying around nowhere, and my wife put it under the table where we drink tea. So it's now placed in between the two sofas facing each other, and then in the middle there's a table, and that's where under that is where the rug is right now. So it's a reminder that something so small can improve the aesthetics of a place. So unexpected that a thing that if you place it in the right way, it can improve the mood of the whole room, and thus the moods of the people inside, living inside the house. We we have done this also with the plants. Like, I like to put indoor plants, so I have put some plants as well, like pothos that climbs over the window, so that totally changes the environment of the room. So that reminds me of this science of Vastu, and maybe some of us overthink and overdo it. Maybe it can be made more simple if it elevates the uh, mood of the house, then that's the right thing. If it makes the life better in a in then yeah, that is a good vastu, basically. I understand the elements, and there are certain directions that where uh, a certain energy has, and if you align certain things in your house with that, then that's gonna be good for you. So that part I understand. So sun always um, rises on the east. We never ask why not sun rises in the west, and the north pole and the south pole is positive and negative. Why we don't say it's opposite? So the rotation of the earth is always the same. So what I understand about Vastu is that when we are aligning objects and things to align with the things of the earth, that can be useful. Okay, so this is my practice for today. Thank you very much.